Welcome again to the second part of this chapter. So, last we discussed that Mr. Harriet, the surgeon, took Tricky the dog to his hospital and he was given with a bed. First 2 days he did not move. Next day he moved to some extent, and the very next day he licked some food out of the container of other dogs. Now you can see on my either side two pictures. Just minutely observe these pictures. On my left you can see bottle of wine, brandy, etc. And to my left, it is very well known to you. All of you must have tested this. This is your favorite eggs. Okay. So let us continue. These are the two pictures as I told you: wine, beer, brandy, and egg. Okay. So let us continue the story. Next. Then his condition here means the condition of the dog, Tricky, started improving very fast. He started fighting for his meals with other dogs. Then when this news reached Mrs. Pumphrey, she started sending him eggs as she thought that Tricky was recovering from an illness and needed energy foods. Okay. Now the doctor knew the condition of Tricky. So first of all, what he did, he restricted the dog with food for 2 days. Next day, the dogs started showing interest upon food, and the following days, the dog started fighting for his meals. He was eagerly taking his meals, fighting with other dogs. Then this news reached to Mrs. Pumphrey that the dog Tricky was gradually improving. So she started sending him eggs, sending the dog eggs, because she thought that the dog needed some sort of energy foods. Okay. So I have shown you at the beginning two pictures. So first eggs were sent. Mr. Harriet and his partner started eating those eggs for morning breakfast. Here, important thing is that Mr. Harriet, the doctor, he along with his partners, they had taken the eggs. Just show me the picture again, previous picture. Just look at these eggs sent by Mrs. Pumphrey were eaten by Mr. Harriet and his partners. Okay. Next. Then for improving Tricky's blood, Mrs. Pumphrey started sending in bottles of wine, which was again consumed by Mr. Harriet. Again the picture I want to show you, that earlier eggs were sent, taken by Harriet and his partners. Now bottle of wine was sent by Mrs. Pumphrey, and that was also consumed by Mr. Harriet and his partners. Okay. Next. He used to take 2 glasses before lunch and some more glasses while having his lunch. Who? Mr. Harriet. Used to take 2 glasses of wine before lunch and some more glasses while having his lunch. Then when she started sending in bottles of brandy for Tricky, that was the time when Mr. Harriet thought that he would really like to keep Tricky as a permanent guest in the surgery. So why this is a question can be asked here, why Mr. Harriet wanted to keep Tricky as a permanent guest. So here, first of all, again try to remember, Mrs. Pumphrey sent eggs. Next she sent wine, bottle of wine. Next she sent brandy, bottles of brandy. So instead of giving it to Tricky, the dog, Mr. Harriet along with his partners, they had taken it, tested it by themselves. So, as long as Tricky would be with them, with Mr. Harriet, Mr. Pomfrey must send these things. So, your doctor thought that he should be, means the Tricky, the dog should be kept as permanent guest. Okay, Mr. Harriet thought that. Mr. Harriet used to be really happy someday by having 2 extra eggs every morning. So regularly Mrs. Pomfrey was sending eggs. So 2 extra eggs he was taking early morning. Then having few glasses of wine in the afternoon. Closing the day by having brandy at night. So all the things sent by Mrs. Pomfrey were consumed by Mr. Harriet willingly, happily. He was enjoying his life and he wanted to keep Tricky as his permanent guest. Next. I think you understood. So far we have completed the story. But then he took a wise decision and called up Mrs. Pomfrey as she was really worried, and on this side Tricky was ready to be taken back home. So now, how long, how many days he would be kept, Tricky would be kept by Harriet? So Harriet thought that as number of calls came from Mrs. Pomfrey about the well-being, about asking about the well-being of the dog Tricky, Harriet thought that Mrs. Pomfrey should be called and she should be given her dog. The dog should be sent back. Tricky was really happy to see his mistress. When Mrs. Pomfrey was called, Tricky saw her owner, saw his mistress and jumped into the car after looking his owner. Mrs. Pomfrey said that she wouldn't be able to ever thank him for what he had done, and also that his surgery had been successful as Tricky was now cured. Here, Mrs. Pomfrey thought that an operation was done by Mr. Harriet, and due to the operation, due to the surgery, her dog Tricky was now totally normal, totally far away from diseases, illness, and he is fit. So she thanked Mr. Harriet, Mrs. Pomfrey thanked Mr. Harriet for giving the right cure for his dog. Okay, now I would show you what a dog here Tricky after being cured, how it looks. You can see 2 pictures here. You can think him as Tricky, and this is the normal dog, very good picture you can see, and this is a dog. You can search for the breed of these dogs. Okay, this is your homework. So these dogs, suppose this is Tricky, so this is the normal Tricky, having no disease, nothing, very active. Okay, another picture at last I will show you of the dog. 2 pictures I have showed you. Next, final picture is this. This is very good in nature. You can see this dog, it is in normal condition, very aggressive, very active, and very obedient to their masters. Okay, so you must have, some of you must have pet as a dog in your house. So always remember that don't overfed them. Okay, here one conclusion we can draw, one advice we can take from this chapter. Next, it is conclusion that the story signifies that the parents should not be indulgent which may harm their children. Again, I would repeat it. The parents should not be indulgent which may harm their children. So, parents are advised to provide their children what is being needed for them, not every sort of comfort every sort of joy or happiness for them which may harm them, may spoil their future, that should not be provided to them. The children should be given what is being utmost requirement by them. Okay. So too much of everything is not good. We have discussed earlier in a poem also. So this is all about this story. I think you must have enjoyed. I hope number of views would increase, because I advise you to go through the chapter again and again, because we are preparing it for you people, especially for you. So don't waste your holidays, go through it. Again, I am thankful to you for watching this video. Thank you.